And we as people on the outside, because prisoners don't get the vote. In most states, prisoners don't get the vote. So that is one of the first things that is taken away from them whenever they're in prison, is that they have their voting rights taken away. If you commit a federal crime, a lot of times you don't ever get your voting rights back. And anything that is a drug crime is considered to be a federal crime. So you have to basically petition to ever get your voting rights back or be pardoned to get your voting rights back. So we as individuals who have never been to prison, who think it's wrong, need to utilize our voting power in order to basically force these people and these industries to come into compliance, because there's no other way that it's going to happen. I mean,
Yes, there is.
it's
Sure there is.
kind of sad that they
What
keep
if
on
you
doing that.
created a program? You said that the psychedelics help. So what if there was a way to get people that were playing in the criminal world to do the psychedelics and say, you know what, I quit crime. I'm not going to prison. And now the prison system doesn't have any customers anymore.
Right. But, once psychedelics are legal, I think that is going to be an option for them. I really do. However, at this point, they don't have any options like that, because
Well, they
doing
do
it,
too. You can go to Costa Rica to do it, or Peru.
they're criminals. They can't.
No, they're not yet criminals. I'm talking about getting them before they commit crimes, when they're dabbling in it and they haven't got caught yet.
Sure.
Before they get into the system.
We as individuals, if we are catching people who are committing crime before they get caught by the police, we can absolutely do that.
They're caged up in my backyard because I caught them in the game.